Have you ever been asked in an SQL interview to find the second highest salary rank employees within each department or find the top three products in every category? You can solve all of these problems using one powerful SQL concept, Windows Functions. In this video, we will see Windows Functions from scratch and show you how row number, rank, dense rank, and partition by work with practical examples. If you're new here, this channel is focused on SQL, Power BI, data analytics, and business intelligence. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this channel. For this video, we will be using our old employee table only, and we are using the database as employees, which we had created the table employee. We had the employee ID column, name, department, salary, and city. This table we have already created in our previous video. So if you want to create this table, you can refer the previous video. In this, we have almost 7 rows in which we have name, department, salary, and city of the employer. Before looking at the individual functions let's understand what a window function actually does. A window function performs a calculation across set of rows that are related to the current row. The important thing is that unlike group by, a window function doesn't collapse the row into single row. It allows us to calculate something across multiple rows while still keeping the original rows. The basic function syntax of Windows function is we have to do, like I will do it in comment, the function name of it, then we will over partition by, and then we can write the column name and the order by which we want to do. We can write like partition by the column name and the order by that column name. We can write it over here and close the brackets. This is the Windows function that is generally used. It is the basic syntax of it. Most Windows functions use the over clause. Inside the over clause, we can use partition by and order by. Partition by divides our data into groups, while order by determines the order in which the calculation is performed. So let us understand this with the help of example of our employee table. We will be first seeing the Windows function of row number. We will be using the simple select function only. We will select our name, department, salary, and city 2 from the employee table, and like we will create one column of it of row number. We close it over partition by department, order by salary in the descending order, as we will name it as row num, and which table we are using from employees. We will run it. So we can see we got the name, department, salary, city, and the row number which we created. Okay, so it has divided it has partitioned by the department and ordered by the salary. So in finance, we have the top salary as 10,000 rupees. So it mentioned it in the first number, and finance with 9,000, Neha, it has given the second number. Accordingly, it has given the row number to each and every row, partitioned by department and ordered by the salary. So what basically row number does, it gives every row a unique sequential number. The employee with the highest salary gets number 1, the next gets number 2, and so on. So even if two employees have the same salary, roll number will still assign them different numbers. Now what we will be doing, we want only the employees who rank only the rank as 1. Okay, we will mention it in the Windows function. Like we will use the with function. With is the like it is a kind of Windows function only which we'll be using with. We will name it as employee rank as, and we will use another select function, select star from. So we had catered temporary table with. Now we will use that with from employee rank, where we had taken the employee partition by row number. It as we had given the name as row number. So we will be taking that where row number is equals to 1. So now we have got only that rows which has the row number as 1. We had used the like the temporary table we had created with using the with function, and using the Windows function we have divided into the row numbers according to the department and according to the highest salary, and we have only shown all the departments and the names of the employee who has the highest salary in their department. Now we will be seeing the rank function. Rank function basically is same as the row number function, but there is a major difference between rank and row number. When two rows have the same value, rank will give the same ranking, but the row number will give it the different value to it. So that is the major difference in that. And the syntax of the row number and rank is also same only. We will select this from above only and paste it over here. Just instead of row number, we will mention it over here as rank. Rest of the things will be same only. We will run it. So you can see if the see the finance HR, it has divided into the row number. It has given the rank to it. Okay, we didn't have the same salary in one of the departments, so it has given the different row numbers only. But if you had the same salary, then it had given the same ranking only to it. So that is the major difference between the row number and rank. Now we will be seeing the next concept as dense rank. There is a major difference between the rank and dense rank too. In dense rank, it also gives the same rank to employees with the same salary. But unlike rank, it doesn't skip the next number. Like in rank, what it does, so like if 1 and 2 is there, then it will directly show the fourth rank. Okay. But in dense rank, if 1 2 rank is there, then next rank will be 3 1, not 4. So it does not skip the next number. It will show the next number only. And its syntax is also same as rank. Just instead of rank, we can mention over here as dense rank, as dense rank. And we can run it. It will also work. Just again, we don't have such huge data in it, so that's why if you will like be having the same salaries and in each department, so you will be able to see that how the rank and dense rank works. The major difference is that only the will skip the next number and dense rank will doesn't skip the next number. So that was the major difference between the row number, rank, and dense rank. That's all for this video. Stay tuned for the next upcoming videos.